Good morning students. Today we have see the topic indices and cube root. See, we have multiplied the 2. How many times? We are count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we multiply the 2 by 5 times. Then we can write 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 means 2 multiplies by 5 times. Here 2 is the base and 5 is the index. बेस म्हणजे पाया आणि इंडेक्स म्हणजे घातांक. First we study the rules of indices. If m and n have the integers म्हणजे पूर्णांक संख्या, m आणि n जर पूर्णांक संख्या असतील तर ते रूल कसे होतात? फर्स्ट रूल इज a raised to m and a raised to m multiplies a raised to n gives a raised to m plus n. Means if base have same, here base is the a and in them there is a multiplication, then we can add the index. So we can add m plus n. For example, 7 raised to 4 multiplies 7 raised to 3. Here base is same and in them there is a multiplication. Then we can add the index. Equal to 7 raised to 4 plus 3. Addition of 4 plus 3 is 7. Means 7 raised to 7. Second rule. If base is same and there is a division, then we can subtract the index. A raised to m divides a raised to n means a raised to m minus n. जर डिव्हिजन असेल तर आपण सबस्ट्रॅक्शन करतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 5 raised to 7 divides 5 raised to 2. Then we can subtract 7 minus 2 means 5 raised to 7 minus 2 gives 5 raised to 5. ही जी सबस्ट्रॅक्शन आहे ती 5 येते म्हणून आपण 5 raised to 5 म्हणणार. थर्ड रूल, in bracket a multiplies b bracket raised to m. If bracket have a index, then component of bracket have the same index. Means a raised to m multiplies b raised to m. For example, in bracket 7 multiplies 3 bracket raised to 4 means 7 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. म्हणजे कंसातल्या संख्यांचा पण घातांक तोच असतो. फोर्थ रूल, if a raised to 0 then answer is 1. For example, 9 raised to 0 is equal to 1. If here we take 100 raised to 0, then our answer is 1. If we take 980 raised to 0, then answer is 1. If we take any number, कोणतीही संख्या घेतली आणि तिचा घातांक 0 असेल तर उत्तर हे एकच येणार. Rule 5, a raised to minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to m. Here we have to see our index is negative. It becomes positive when this number goes to denominator. म्हणजे ही जर संख्या डिनॉमिनेटरला गेली तर तिचा इंडेक्स पॉझिटिव्ह होतो. For example, if 7 raised to minus 2, it becomes positive when 7 raised to minus 2 goes to denominator means 1 upon 7 raised to 2. Rule 6, in bracket a raised to m bracket raised to n. म्हणजे ब्रॅकेट कंसाचा घातांक n आहे आणि कंसामध्ये m घातांक आहे. If there is a 2 indices, then it have the multiplication, means a raised to m into n. For example, if 11 raised to 2 and bracket raised to 3, then here between the 2 and 3 there is a multiplication, means 11 raised to 2 multiplies 3. Multiplication of 2 and 3 is 6, means 11 raised to 6. Rule 7, in bracket a upon b bracket raised to m, then component of bracket have the same indices. म्हणजे कंसाचा जो घातांक आहे तोच कंसातल्या घटकांचा घातांक असतो किंवा संख्यांचा घातांक असतो. मीन्स a raised to m upon b raised to m. For example, in bracket 6 upon 4 bracket raised to 3, then 6 raised to 3 and 4 raised to 3. Rule 8, in bracket a upon b raised to minus m equal to b upon a bracket complete raised to m. See here, index is negative and in answer index is positive. When it happens, if the number is interchanged, a is numerator and here a is denominator, b is denominator and in answer b is numerator, means number are interchanged, then index becomes positive. For example, in bracket 7 upon 3 bracket raised to minus 4 equal to, आता इथं काय होणार, नंबर इंटरचेंज होणार, डिनॉमिनेटर बिकम्स न्यूमरेटर and numerator becomes denominator, means in bracket 3 upon 4 bracket raised to 4. Here our rules of indices are complete. In the next lecture, we have seen the number with rational index and practice set 3.1. Have a good day.